Hi friends, welcome back to Chris Trading Academy. So today I just want to discuss with you about tomorrow's resistance and support levels of Nifty and how we gonna trade for intraday perspective, in the sense basically whether we need to go for a short or a long. Let's first of all check it on the Bank Nifty here. So I placed 20-day moving average and 200-day moving average here. Okay. So I just want to remove this 20 because it will confuse you, because once the market moves right, we think that if we would have taken this call, and that's something like it's a nonsense. So first of all, let me get into the monthly time frame. This is a monthly time frame, right? So we already entered into the July month. Okay, let me draw the Fibonacci levels for you guys again. So I just have taken the recent high, not exactly a recent high, but yeah, let me cover it up with this thing. Yeah, this is the recent 52-week high and 52-week low. Okay, so as of now, you can clearly see, right, where exactly we are standing on a monthly time frame, where at 61.8. Okay, so this is a golden ratio. Okay, in the sense, golden percentage this is. So this one and 38.2, both, if you go across the, I mean to say that the Fibonacci levels, you can see that Fibonacci golden levels. Okay, these two. And see, so now, as we already discussed, right, day before yesterday, I told you, right, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, okay, they are just entered into the overbought zones. Okay, so that's the reason only today, after hitting those levels, they are reacting heavily. Okay, so if tomorrow market closes below today's, I mean to say, yeah, tomorrow the market opens below today's close and closes at the low point of the day. Okay, tomorrow anyhow it's an options expiry also. So that's an indication that you're gonna see this kind of a trend. Okay, so remember carefully. So this particular, okay, so this particular downfall is there, right? The same way we gonna see another, at least, see, this area I have taken only 78.6 percentage from now. Okay, so you can calculate how many, means around 3000 points, right? Nearly 3000 points downside we can expect. Okay, and don't think that it will take too much of time. Okay, it might be a week, means tomorrow is Thursday, Friday, okay, 2 sessions, and again Monday, Tuesday. In 4 sessions we can reach this level, and from here on, if it extends, means here and here, this will act as a strong support. That also, if it fails now, then a new downtrend has been started. Remember that. So now you can clearly understand, this we are expecting till 19,605, but this I am not expecting, because this is a dangerous move. All the stocks will lose something, again 20-25 percentage, more than that also, 30% also. Again we gonna see Reliance, ITC, TCS, Titan, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, and HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, all these stocks again they lose 25 to 35 percentages, at least 25 percentages, minimum of minimum. So I'm not expecting this kind of a move. And again, one more level is very important, is 50 percentage, and it won't stop there, but it will go beyond that. That is 200-day moving average. Okay, that is on a weekly, if you can see here. So let's assume and let's think of in a positive way. Okay, so what I am expecting personally is, okay, this particular area, okay, this particular area, we gonna see this next 4 or 5 sessions, or yeah, max 4 or 5 sessions, because Bank Nifty every day it is moving 500 points upside or downside. So I'm expecting a downside because an indecision candle formed, and tomorrow, if the market, this is very important, okay, just understand this point. If tomorrow market takes off this position, okay, this position, and closes below, okay, and closes below, then you gonna see a, this is where I'm talking, okay, if it closes like this or near to it, then definitely we're gonna see a new downtrend like this. Remember that. So this is going to happen, okay, but some or the other reason the market, okay, tomorrow again they want to take off the 2 days whatever the short positions, and tomorrow is expiry. If they want to do the short covering again, then we're gonna see a gap up tomorrow, okay, gap up. So then they will take off to a new high, and then I am not hesitating to tell you that 50% is achievable. Anything above this tomorrow we gonna achieve. Okay, market close below, right? This is the place, right? Anything above this means 22,600. Okay, 22,568 is the closing price. So anything above that we're gonna see at 24,400. That is 50 percentage in the Fibonacci levels. Okay, yeah, this is what I want to share it on Bank Nifty, guys. Okay, and you can do all the smaller research on 60 minutes and 15 minutes. I just gave you the bigger time frames view so that you can understand for the next 5 days. Okay, yeah. So now we're gonna see the Nifty. Okay, so now we're gonna see the Nifty chart, and on this, right, as I told you clearly, I am in completely bullish till this point of time, and you can see, right, you can clearly see the price taking off this 200-day moving average and closing above. So Nifty is performing different altogether, and see here, this is where, okay, this is the gap fill. If you see closely, 10,836 it hit, okay, 10,836, that too today, okay, so that too today. So people think that how it gonna hit and all that, okay, so this is how market makers will make sure that, okay, it's gonna take off all the levels. So again, any retracement here, okay, any retracement till this point of time, let me draw for you guys so that you better. So here if you see, right, everything, okay, clearly, so these are the higher highs and higher lows made on Nifty 50 chart, and big hands bought in these areas, and even institutions and all those, even the retail investors, retail guys, okay, they mutual fund guys, everyone bought here. So now what exactly will happen is people got into the greedy zone, so that when the greedy zone comes into picture, the table maker means the controller, what they'll do is they'll just shake the table, so that those who got the capability of holding the table, even if it got shaked, they will be on the table, and the rest of the guys will be out of the table, because they cannot handle that kind of a crash, or they cannot handle that kind of a volatility. Because why they can't handle is they are in the profit till this point of time. Any small 20 percentage, not 10, I mean to say at least 10, 15, 20 percentage correction immediately, okay, will wipe out them from the table. That's what gonna happen, okay, very soon. And I cannot say that that day when it gonna happen, but I am expecting in this month, okay, means it's a beautiful correction, so that again the market will stabilize, because now it is at the peak of its run, okay. So now the train has to get slow down, okay. Either they will apply the sudden brakes, or they will take it off in a slower pace. We never know that, okay, only market makers know that. So if this correction happens till this point of time, we gonna buy again at 10,300, okay, and this we gonna travel, this is the area we gonna travel. And if the market comes down, this is the place we gonna short. Where we gonna short? Below 10,300 for 9,950, because that is the support. So anything below, the anything below the 10,300 or 10,250, below 10,275, short for target 9,950. Above 10,350, long for target 11,200. So these are the two things you need to remember for the next 2 weeks. Remember that. So you can see clearly that there is a gap widening now, okay, means range is widening, 9,950 to 11,200, right, means around 1,250 points range, okay. Now so we can have a much bigger range, means much bigger volatility is coming in the next weeks. So get ready for that. And if you have around 40 to 50% profits in any stock, just try to book 50-60 percentage and leave rest of them, okay. And even when you are playing intraday, try not to panic when you see long candles, so big, okay, big candles, in the sense any kind of long candles, okay, like this. If you see, right, any stretch like this, don't panic, okay, because you're gonna see very soon those candles, okay. Thank you guys, and stay safe, stay home, uh, avoid unnecessary trading and unnecessary entries without planning, okay. Thank you guys.